was a cheeky day. And look, this chick.
The other one's getting better now.
And the other one's getting better.
Doesn't shake too much now. Right?
Target naman ng PSC na magkaroon ng mas
Another one
maraming
too.
regional training center.
Yeah, they're getting better off the light. I think the light is hot.
We have to make
I mean,
sure
the light is getting warm
Philippine Sports Commission si
when they
Alex
go inside.
What's their name?
That one's over here inside. That's Candy, and the other one here outside is Cookie.
Maybe to put up tennis courts all over the country.
But they're going inside. They're getting better. Their feathers are getting
Hindi naman
warm.
maitago ni Alex ang saya sa pag-uwi sa bansa.
Finally.
Lalo na nang marinig at makita ang mga hiyaw at kaway ng
Always
mga
go in the
kababayan.
water.
Congratulations sa atin.
Sa mga susunod na araw,
They're getting better.
sa ilang events, kabilang sa meet and greet sa kanyang
Yeah, let's make them out. Come on. I think they're still cold. Ah, the other one is so silly. Candy's so silly.
DC Open sa Washington, D.C.
Eh.
At sa magkasunod na WTA
Ay, siya!
1000 events sa Toronto at Cincinnati.
What do you
Paige Javier, ABS-CBN News.
He's okay. That's what. Look. I see it. I see it. There's the cheeky. The cheeky will get. There we go. They're getting warm.
DYRS.
I don't see anything. Just look at the floor. They're better. Remove them now. They're hugging. The other one is still cold, I guess.
Yeah, just let them.
They're so silly, clumsy chickies. See?
Napakamutagad ng ulo si Coach Cheng Giao sa kanilang debut game. Naghalimaw itong import ng bossing. Bakitang gila si Barkley sa PBA. Tinambaka.
Maingat at magkagalang luwag. May sarap luto sa bawat kagat. Skyflakes, asahan mo.
Mami, nagano na ba yan?
Sa likod ng bawat bibulit ay
Hindi parang sa lahat ay bawal
na todo sa pagtubog para future ready ang mga bibulits. Sinipan ng parenting style ni Daddy Vlad ang mga discarded, struggles at pangarap niya para sa mga anak. Plus tips at kwentong pasok sa bawat magulang na gustong magpalaki.
They're doing something.
Bakan ng rain or shine. So second day ng PBA.
Ah.
Debut naman ng Blackwater bossing kontra sa rain
Nothing's
or shine
happening
last
to the
four
other
quarters.
chickie.
With opening quarter,
Like they're carrying it.
napakainit agad ng nagsimula ng
They're
import
doing
ng bossing na si Gentry Barkley. Mahaw na agad kumana ng 13 straight points, shooting perfect, 5 of 5 sa field.
They're
with
doing
three
something like they're
shot.
fighting
Grabe at
again.
solid itong
Why they're climbing?
ng Blackwater na agad pinangunahan ng kanilang 16-6 start. Pero di pa natapos dyan. Heto pa under 7
going
minutes.
something.
Barkley na naman another 3-pointer. Under 6 minutes naman nung finally makitala na rin ni Adrian Locu ang kanyang unang basket na nasundan din ang unang basket ni Aaron Fuller. Kaso nagpabalik PBA former Ross na si Debussy sumakit agad ng layup na nasundan pa ng isa mula kay Cedric Bearfield. 36-25 pabor sa Blackwater bossing. Second quarter, Luis Villegas off the bench. Pumukul agad beyond the arc na nasundan pa ng isa mula naman kay Gian Mamuya. Pero dapat Panopio to the rescue agad sa kanyang end 1 na nasundan din ng 3 mula naman kay RK Ilagan. Under 8 minutes, napabayaan na naman si Villegas. Pasok ang corner, 3-pointer. Kaso pagbalik ni Barkley, heto na naman, atake na naman sa kanyang layup with 22 points, 8 rebounds at 6 assists. Pero this time, Aaron Fuller nagsimula na rin mangmama sa painted area na meron na rin 19 points at 7 rebounds. Yun nga lang, Nick Demusis nang gigil sa
Wait,
Ross.
I'm little.
Gusto
I
kong
can go?
posterize si Fuller. Sayang nga at di na kumpleto yan. Pero binawi
There we
naman
go.
agad yan ni Demusis sa kanyang layup. Will yung laro ng Ross na
Some of them go out.
Nagulat at si
Are you
Coach
okay?
Cheng Yao
Where's the other one?
ito mismo ang ginamit sa kanila ng bossing natapos ang first half. Natambakan ang kukunan ni Coach Cheng ng 16 points, 56-72. Start of the third quarter, hindi pa rin tapos ang bossing. Another 5 straight points including itong
They're getting one now.
may halong swerte na rin dahil pumasok pa ito another 3-point shot ni RK Ilagan. Lucky bounce. Anyari sa Rosa dito. Grabe ang naging simula ng bossing in 3 minutes. Nakakawa sila ng 19-4 run at namagapalalo ang tampak sa isang
What they're doing? I saw them
91.
look up.
Grabe si Bearfield at Ilagan na meron na rin combined 40 points. Sa
Something
nito,
happened.
hetong pumulpa ng 3 si Kendrick Barkley. Habang sa Ross naman, Diyos mio, tutukang tira.
I don't know what's happening. The Chickies are fighting again.
To 81 and the third period. 4 and 5
What?
quarter. Hindi pa rin tapos. Heto't atake na naman si Kendrick
Ah!
Barkley. Grabe.
May pinagsaging
na
na
si Barkley sa kanyang debut.
Yan sila banana po eh.
9 points, 13 rebounds. at
Excuse me,
10
Chickies.
matapos yan, pinagpahinga
Hello,
na si
Chickies.
Barkley at sa kanilang tambak na
There we go, they're drinking.
Coach Cheng Yao ng bossing sa kanilang debut game.
Ah! They're gonna burn! No. Chicky. No. You're gonna burn. Oh, dear.
Walang piling crystals. Para fresh.
Okay, fine. But don't put me in here. Or else I'm gonna get stressed now. One's coming in, then one's coming in again. Don't hug that light ball. You're gonna burn. You too. There's lightning. Silly little chicklings. Okay, we'll just go here. Instead, just go here. Guys, you guard, okay? If you don't guard, something will happen to you. They'll be like crazy.
Dahil sa mga lumalabas na balita at diskusyon
Like,
online,
disappear from nowhere
tungkol kay Kai
and
Soto ay
can't
nagsalita
discuss
na
them.
ang ligang pinaglaloroan ito.
Like, what? Where are you gonna go?
OSNBL or Commerce Organized Basketball League ay may official statement at na-interview ito ni Kai Soto. So yan na rin ang kanyang panig sa mga issue. Ayon sa statement ng OSNBL ay isang family league o hindi ligang labas kung saan ay manatatanggap na talent fee. So isa raw itong ordinary na ligang labas pa rin. Pero ito'y nakafocus bilang exclusive or family league na natatakbo ng magkakapamilya at malalapit na magkakaibigan. Sa katunayan daw ito'y naitatag sa tulong nila Erwin Soto, Tanadel de Ocampo at Albert Lara. And sa ngayon si Kai ay adult na at may trabaho na, kasama na rin siya sa pagpapatakbo. Sa katunayan siya nga ang logo ng liga.
Okay.
Ikaw ay paraan ng mga nabanggit na pamilya para mag-give back sa community. At sa ating pagkaintindi, si Kai
What?
mismo ay nakakapag-sponsor para sa
Now or soon?
statement. Ito ay community league, hindi competition.
The
or
chicks
pausa.
might still like
Pero
the
kung
chicks.
nabigyan
No! What?
Si Kai ay
Chicks!
liga at kasama niya ang kanyang mga kapamilya at kamag-anak. Mas panganang picture itong OSNBL na makikita ang bata.
Oh, the chicks just... But chicks can go to hot things like fire.
Ang ikatlong parte ay kasi
When they're cold. I mean not fire, like a warm light. What they're doing now?
Ano naman ang sitwasyon.
Not
Pero
again.
ngayon
I'm so
nakakasal at buntis ang asawa ay mas mainam na ibigay ang kanyang oras para sa kanyang family. Sa ating pagkakaalala ay meron din mga Milas players ang muna yung absent dahil sa bagong kasal o kaya may mga anak ng asawa. Kaya gusto nilang ilahan ng family matters.
Ang napangasawa ni si Rere
As part of the statement, ay nagkataon na hindi tugma ang schedule ng Milas at plano ng kanyang kampo na mainly showcases NBA Dream. Kaya pinagsasabiso na hindi magkaroon muna sa Gilas.
Oh, my
Gusto ng
heavens.
mga bata to taste as
Now the chick is stuck.
Si Yuntun din na, hindi naglaro sa Korea. Muna ang NBA Summer League. And so with these humble statements,
There we go.
NBL.
But the chickie was stuck. The chick was stuck.
Personal opinion. ay napakasolid na Gigas fan.
Yeah, she like that na lang. Ah, sorry. Move. Move. There.
Hindi natin kinokontra ang mga statements ng basketball stars.
That's here.
Na mga bukso ng kanilang damdamin. O gusto
And
lamang nilang
for my
ilabas
little
sa loobin. Or
The
kanilang
cheeks are getting
frustration
warm
at
now.
Sa ngayon,
Sorry
sa
for the
ngayon,
cold.
lahat ng bagay ay
I was
importante.
almost nervous, guy.
Their personal goals,
Wait, keep on going.
importante rin ang national team. Alam naman natin ang sitwasyon ng Gilas ngayon. And hopefully,
Let's
they
make it
will
like
have
that
the
now.
time and the heart to
Ah,
represent the country
getting warm.
while chasing their dreams.
There you go. They're getting warm. There's something here.
This week on Johnny in Motion,
I think it's an interesting question.
Senate President.
Okay, guys. I'll make another vlog tomorrow. Bye.